Everybody, this is Kat. This is the immune boost from Dr. Harvey's that I bought for my dog a bit ago. Yesterday I got curious. The ingredients are natural. Dr. Harvey's only ever uses human grade ingredients for their stuff. So I wondered, what would happen if I put it into some of my ice cream? I put in a very small amount, and after a couple of bites of my ice cream that I usually hide supplements in, I make it for that purpose. I felt boosted both physically and spiritually. I'm not sure why I'd be boosted spiritually by this stuff, but I was. Anyways, maybe I'm nuts for taking a supplement made for dogs, but it does seem to work pretty well. It seems very potent, so I'm going to lower the amount the dogs get after that experience, and I might use this again in the future. This is what the powder looks like. This is the little scoop. I did not put a whole lot in. Like, I put about that much. Just over. Though not even a fourth scoop. And I had that amazing effect. It was definitely an interesting experiment. That was totally worth my time. And that's all I have to say for now, and I'll see you guys next time.